Welcome back, guys! If you are returning to the channel, thank you very much, and if this is your first time watching me, howdy. Before we get into the gameplay of the video, I just want to talk a little bit about the gun and where I got it from. And the gun we are talking about today is the CYMA CM350LM, full metal. If you're looking to buy this gun in the UK, it is around about £135. Now these are the things you're going to need to run this thing for the whole day. You are going to need a variety of shotgun shells. This is not a gas shotgun. This is a spring shotgun. In my opinion, 10 times better. Yes, you've got the range of a gas shotgun, but if you need range for a shotgun, you're not using a shotgun right. When everyone else is back at respawn, filling up on their gas, changing their batteries, whatever it is, CO2, you're going to be back in the middle of the action. Now I know most of you want to actually see this gun in the action, so I'm not going to keep going on and blabber on about all kinds of absolute nonsense. One thing I am going to talk about though is where I got this gun. I got this gun from 01airsoft.com. They are a UK based airsoft site and showroom. If you are down in the Dorset area, you can pop into their showroom and see what they have. Their website is easy to navigate through and has all of your airsoft needs. Whether you're like me and you're running through the trees in a massive firefight, or on the other spectrum, you think you are a tree and you dress like one, you know who you are. They still have everything you need, from shotguns, SMGs, LMGs, M4s, a Jeep, all of your consumables from BBs, grenades, smokes, everything they've got. And the delivery is fast, the customer service is on point, and I'd highly recommend you use them for your next airsoft purchase. Give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and let's get straight to it.
I'll cover the right ground, you cover that blue barrel. Billy, ready? Go.
Ready when you are. Okay, nice one. Right. It's around here.
Yeah.
He's behind it.
Dude up front!
Hang on a second, hold this. Oh,
right, go, 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 go!
Hit!
There we go.
They're behind Silver. He's gone, nice one guys. Dude! Yeah.
Yeah, mate!
Moving in the bushes just there.
No,
wait.
no.
No, we're crawling.
Right there, through the headline.
Crawling through here. Is that? Oh, it might be our team.
No, he's not.
Fuck. That's cool.
Right back.
Go, ready?
Touch his area. Behind the tree, close.
Nice one.
Very nice, very nice.
We could go left into the compound and hook next to the train track.
Oh,
Is that shit legal? Blues are in! Come through, matey! Ah! Nice one, mate!
good job, mate. Oh, so close, dude. Just one by in the active side, one outside.
Come through, mate. Come on. You go, mate. I'm behind you.
Are you guys attacking?
Attacking or defending? Yeah, we're good, we're good. Hit, nice one.